guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys is magsiswimming na naman kami. Monday today, so may swimming kami 10 to 11. And ngayon nga guys is bumababa kami dito sa sa management office. Dun sa baba, pick upin kami ng daddy niya. So dun namin siya intayin sa baba. Magsiswimming lang tong alaga ko 1 hour. And then babalik kami. And tingnan nyo guys, so ang sama ng panahon, madilim na naman. So today is Monday. So dito ito guys sa building namin, sa flat. Yan, dyan dito to sa amin. So pababa tayo papuntang management office kasi dun daw kami pipick upin. So ayan guys, so ang dilim, masama yung panahon. Maulan.
Today is
Monday.
why so many?
Today is Monday. We go to swimming.
Last time is 1, no, 2, 4, 6. This time is 1, 3, 1, 3, and then 6, right?
Okay, yes. So ito guys is dito sa village ng Emerald pababa. So ayan o, sobrang dilim. So 9:50 kami susunduin. Maaga pa naman siya.
So 1, 3, 5, 6, right?
Yes. Bakasyon na to pero ang dami niya guys mga activity. Everyday yan, Monday to Saturday. So ayan yung view dito guys. Oh, walang tao. Kami lang ang tao.
Lemon tea.
Na here. After swimming you drink. You cannot drink now, otherwise you vomit in the swimming pool.
Oh yes.
You remember?
Remember last time?
Good boy. So dito to guys. Okay. We go to the gym first. We wait daddy. Then 9:50.
Which gym?
Here. So ayan guys. Dito. Really? Dito na to guys sa baba. Punta tayo dun sa may gym muna. Kasi hintayin namin ng daddy niya is 9:50. So mga gaga pa naman. Bumaba lang kami kasi alam niyo po hindi yun pinag-iintay ng daddy niya. Galit agad yun kapag nag-iintay ng matagal. So mauna na kami ganon. So ito guys is nandito kami sa dito muna kami magtambay ng 5-10 minutes bago kami lumabas din sa main gate. So ito guys, ito guys sa gym. Pwede ka dito guys may tubig din dito, ayan. I don't like tubig siya, tapos meron dito guys gym.
Okay,
Pwede ka dito guys mag exercise, free yan, free exercise yan, oh guys. Ganyan. Meron silang mga pang-exercise.
Where? 3.
This one, oh.
1.
This one is maintenance. Hey, then don't waste this one. This one, the management will be very angry. Put it back. So, meron din sila dyan ng toilet. Malinis yung toilet nila dyan, guys. You drink. This one. Meron swimming pool pero hindi naman masyadong ginagamit. And meron sila